So now, guys, here we are with the propulsion unit. We're going to take and feed the power source through the provided through hull area. It's a molded out hole for normally your transducer cord. So once that's fed up, you will see that this simply goes in like this. And I'm going to feed the cord in here in a second. So let me just do this real quick. Stay right there. Cord's fed. Once the cord's fed through that area, you'll notice that it's as simple as this. Lining up where the other two holes were. Taking your screws. I give mine a little hand tight. Not too hard, but you know, I did put a little tight on it. And believe it or not, guys, there's your unit. So this is why we're excited, because it takes up very little room. It has an area to retract back up into that area, just like so. And once we connect this in a minute, you'll see this in operation. This will literally just drop right down and start propelling as we turn it on. So guys, it is the Texas Power Paddle. This is the Remora, and this is for the links or a transducer install. Guys, thank you. Ocean City Kayak, baby.